A really sincere thank you to the Phillips Foundation and the Don Hanson Charitable Foundation for making the 2022 Roots and Shoots Australia resource box possible.
And I would say a really big thank you to Stewart as well. Well, honestly, but for you, none of this would have happened.
Oh, thank you, but it's a whole team, and it's an honour to
I know it's a whole team, but it's such an amazing project.
Oh, thank you.
And you've got all these books, so which, this one?
Sure, yeah.
Is?
So in the box, this year we've got a book about the Murray-Darling River Basin, looking at the natural history, the conservation, and all of the management of the river.
Yes, and there's been so much controversy about this, and I've been involved in it.
Really?
So I think this is a wonderful book to teach people about some of the problems that conservation faces.
Absolutely. It's such an important basin in Australia.
Yes, it really is.
The next book concerns camouflage in the natural world and the amazing ways in which animals and plants use colour both to hide from predators and to catch prey.
And some of it is so absolutely incredible.
Wow.
The animal kingdom, and we still have so much to discover.
Absolutely.
And you know, books like this will encourage young people to go out there and find new things.
Yes, yeah.
Because there's so much left to discover.
And hopefully by showing children some of the amazing forms of camouflage, they can then go into their backyards and look for different caterpillars.
Exactly,
and butterflies.
exactly.
Absolutely.
Yes, and things that you might never notice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's super.
Oh, good. The third book in the current Australia resource box is a second volume of Living Landscapes. We made a first volume last year, and this one explores a rainbow of amazing ancient Aboriginal cultures written by local contributors.
Because I open the first page, it's me. Oh. I think that's not Australia.
No, that's your forward, that, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So this year it covers a great range of different communities across Australia, exploring their cultures.
And Australia has so many ecosystems.
Definitely.
So many amazing animals.
It really, really does. Yes. And their relationships with those animals.
Yes. And our Roots and Shoots program is now working with the Aboriginal communities.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah. That's super.
Oh, good.
Fantastic.
And the fourth book is a book titled Amazing Ecosystems. This book explores the rainbow of different ecosystems and the key species in each of those ecosystems and the threats that they're facing, but also some of the inspiring conservation work that's currently being undertaken to safeguard those ecosystems for the future.
So this is ecosystems around the world?
Yes.
I opened it at the blue tit.
Yes.
I thought there's no blue tits in Australia.
No, it explores a whole rainbow across the globe.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And looking at some of the threats to those ecosystems, but also some of the good work being done. With
climate change getting worse.
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
Well, I do congratulate you.
Well, it's
and the team that's worked on producing these extraordinary books, the difference it's going to make to the countries where the Don Hanson Foundation and the Phillips Foundation has enabled the books to be delivered.
So these are going to 4,000 schools to benefit hundreds of thousands of students at those schools all across Australia.
Yeah, and I know that you've been sending out thousands and thousands of boxes, 2 warehouses full.
Basically, yeah, 55,000 to date.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So a very sincere thank you to the partners for making this possible.
Yes, absolutely. I reiterate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you.